This is a compound inequality because you've got two inequality symbols. And the way you solve a compound inequality, you want to get n in the middle. Okay? So to do that, let's subtract 5 in the middle, and then you got to subtract 5 from both ends. So that gives you -4 less than 5n less than 20. We're closer. We want to get n in the middle. So to isolate this n in the middle, I need to divide both ends by 5. So that gives me -4/5 is less than n is less than 4. And I want to see how many integers are in that interval. Now, you've got less than. You don't have less than or equal to. So the endpoints, the numbers on the end are not included. But let's look. Here's 0. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, that 4 is not included. And then on the other end, you've got -1. And where would -4/5 be? -4/5 would be right there. Okay? So let's figure out how many integers we have between this point, and we're not including the 4, of course, and this one. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it.